See how it looks in there? Trying to get a path come through this backside.
That's pretty good.
See from this angle over here, I'm trying to go this way. Trying to make it work from both directions and cut in the middle so you don't have access to. You can't bend that way. Supposed to help me, not hurt me, right?
Right.
Fine tuning tool.
Big harder.
I'm going to cut my tip. See what's cutting?
Oh yeah.
Right there above my tip.
Tear it up quick.
About it. What do I do on that one? I don't know if you can see it very much, but as Kelly's all about going through. It's all about going through here. Remember?
Mm-hmm.
So there's a flow. See, that's right where I'm cutting, see? We're also trying to make it flow around the backside over here. Through here. So it'll flow around this side of the valve over here, not just out this corner here. Trying to take advantage of the whole valve. The air's not going to want to turn that way, but we're trying to make it do that. If you cut the whole bottom of that out, see how deep this bolt is?
Yep.
There's a steel insert in there. Goes down there that far. That's right where we're cutting.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah.
I've cut in that before underneath the top of that cap. And the head's like a crack through here because it's real thin. You're down to about a 3/8 of an inch cross section holding this head together. You can pour that real deep. That insert doesn't add strength. So there's no material between here and here. It just will break apart.
Hmm.
So if you overboard it, you screw it up.
I can see that being a problem.
Don't overdo it too much. Do maybe. Hold this thing. Oh, this exhaust port. That's not bad. I haven't done the exhaust port yet. Why the hell is that so shitty right now? Oh, I haven't touched it yet.
Oh yeah, that's that one.
This side. That on. Wrong side. Right spot. Lip right there, I want to get rid of it. Let the air come up cleanly through there. I like a triangle hump right there.
Mm-hmm.
Knock that out. Because the air is going to come right around here and loop around. So you want to loop up into the valve, not jump back into the guide. That's all I can do for that port. Pretty crappy. Must be a panhead. Knuckleheads are even worse.
Oh no.
Same kind of port, but way worse. Exhaust needs a lot of help.
Yeah, it does.
All right, we'll be back to that one.